it always happens when you're about to fall asleep. That quiet tug, that inner voice, that question you keep asking, when will my time come? You're not crazy for asking that. You're not wrong for wanting more. You're not alone in hoping, even when it feels like nothing's moving. But tonight isn't just another night. Not if you're watching this, because something very real is happening around you. In the sky, in the energy, in your body, and most of all, in the way your future is trying to get your attention. This week, we are passing through a potent cosmic corridor. The moon is entering Pisces, the sign of dreams, intuition, and hidden miracles. Neptune is highly active, thinning the veil between what is imagined and what becomes real. And just behind it, Venus aligns in a gentle sextile with Mars, the divine dance of receiving and action. This kind of alignment doesn't just stir feelings, it shifts timelines. It creates an energetic portal where thoughts, desires, and spoken words sink deeper into the invisible field that weaves everything together. It's not just a date on the calendar, it's a window, a whisper, an invitation, and the best part? You don't need to do anything complicated. You don't need rituals, spells, or crystals tonight. Just a sentence. A single phrase spoken with your heart before you fall asleep is enough to shift your field. To call in clarity, love, money, alignment, whatever you need. Because words spoken in the last 5 minutes before sleep enter the subconscious like seeds. And the subconscious, it doesn't filter, it doesn't argue, it creates. So here's what you do. Get quiet. Feel the blanket against your body. Feel your breath slowing, and when you're ready, whisper this phrase. Everything is aligning for my highest good. I am ready now. Say it once. Say it twice. Or keep repeating it until your eyes drift shut. Don't rush it. Let the words mean something. Even if it feels strange, even if your mind wants to fight it, say it anyway. Because this phrase carries a truth that your soul already knows. Now let me tell you a story. Not from a stranger across the world, but from someone I know personally. A friend of mine, we'll call him Aaron, was going through a stretch of deep frustration. Things were blocked. Work was slow. Relationships felt shallow. He tried journaling, meditating, even affirmations. Nothing moved. But one night he decided to try something different. He said that phrase, the very same one, just before sleep. No music, no expectations. Just whispered it like a wish. Everything is aligning for my highest good. I am ready now. The next morning, nothing big happened. But he noticed something small. He felt less tense, less desperate. As if a layer had been peeled off. By the end of that week, a message came in. An old client returned out of nowhere. Then a small bonus check arrived from something he had completely forgotten. And then a call, a real opportunity. One he had dreamed of. It wasn't magic. It was alignment. It was resonance. It was the result of letting the subconscious receive a new story. You see, you don't need to convince the universe to help you. It already wants to. But it responds not to pressure, but to presence. That sentence you whispered, it told the universe, I'm no longer pushing, I'm partnering, I'm aligning. Now, as you rest tonight, your brain will begin its transition into theta. This is the realm of imagination, of dreams, of deep subconscious access. And in that realm, your phrase will echo. It becomes a frequency signature, a signal you're sending into the quantum field. And the field doesn't speak English, it speaks emotion, it speaks vibration. So if you say that phrase with trust, even just a flicker of belief, the field hears you. It begins to rearrange people, moments, nudges, symbols, all in your favor. Now let's go deeper. Have you ever had a dream where you saw something strange? A number, a color, a doorway? You wake up and forget the details. But the feeling stays. That's not random. That's a message. And tonight, if you're paying attention, you might receive one. A sign, a symbol, a whisper. Don't dismiss it. The cosmic alignments right now, especially with Pisces and Neptune active, amplify dream messages. They bring clarity not through logic, but through symbols. That's why you may dream of water, of flying, of sudden light, of a gift being handed to you. Or you might simply wake up at 3:33, heart beating, not knowing why. All of it is valid. All of it is part of your activation. Here's an optional upgrade if you want to deepen the experience tonight. Before sleep, light a small white or blue candle. Hold a pen and notebook, and write the phrase down once on the page. Everything is aligning for my highest good. I am ready now. Then fold the page gently. Place it under your pillow. Let your head rest upon it. Let it travel into the dream world with you. You don't need to analyze. You don't need to do anything else. Just sleep like it's already handled. The dream will come, or the clarity will arrive in the morning. Sometimes it arrives as calm, sometimes as vision, sometimes as a twist in your day that feels out of place, yet perfect. If you feel comfortable, type below in the comments, "I said it, I'm open." Not for me, not for the algorithm, but for you. To seal your intention, to anchor it into form, to write it into the collective. And tomorrow, when things begin to move, come back. Leave a second comment. Tell us what happened. You'll be surprised how many others will say, "Oh, that's wild. I had the same thing." Because you're not alone in this field. We're all part of it. But you had the courage to speak into it, to trust it, to plant your phrase in the fertile soil of sleep. So sleep now. The universe heard you. The sky is watching. The dream is coming. And when you wake, you will know it. Your shift has already begun. This is your new beginning. This is your proof that you were always being guided, always being supported, and always, always meant to receive. You will know it. Your shift has already begun. This is your new beginning. This is your proof that you were always being guided, always being supported, and always, always meant to receive. Now take one last breath. Let it reach the deepest parts of your body. Feel the tension leave your shoulders. Feel the story of the day dissolve. You are no longer the person who doubts. You are the one who decides. And this is your decision, to trust the timing, to believe in the unfolding. Tomorrow, don't rush. Watch your day with new eyes. Pay attention to who calls, what numbers show up, how your body feels when something unexpected happens. Those are the winks from the universe, the subtle signals that say, "Yes, we got your message. Now stay aligned because it's coming." The miracle might not scream, it may whisper. It may arrive wearing ordinary clothes, but your soul will recognize it. You don't need to chase, you don't need to perform. You just need to receive because everything, yes, everything is already on its way. Sleep peacefully. Something beautiful has already begun.